Ever feel like your pet doesn't understand you? Maybe you're the confusing one. Let's fix that. Asterisk mistake 1, changing commands. Saying down today, then lie down tomorrow. That's 2 different commands. To your pet, be consistent. 1 word equals 1 meaning. Asterisk mistake 2, punishing after the fact. If you scold your pet minutes after they did something wrong, they have no idea why. Correct gently and immediately, or redirect behavior. Asterisk mistake 3, ignoring body language. Tail tucked, ears flat. Pets communicate through posture, not words. Pay attention. They're speaking without speaking. Your pet wants to connect. Don't let confusion get in the way. Like if your pet's ever given you to look, share to help someone stop sending mixed signals. Comment clear now if you learned something new. Follow 4 quick clear tips to strengthen your bond with your pet.